So Rehat, what day is today?
It is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all days.
No, I've forgotten.
You've forgotten. So it's Wednesday today.
Wednesday.
And what is the special about today's date?
Today is my birthday.
Today's your birthday. So how old are you now?
5.
5 years old.
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Go down. Sit down.
So Rehat, what day is today?
It is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all days.
No, I've forgotten.
You've forgotten. So it's Wednesday today.
Wednesday.
And what is the special about today's
Today
date?
is my birthday.
Today's your birthday. So how old are you now?
5.
5 years old.
Yes.
So where are you going right now?
Gurdwara.
Gurdwara. To do what?
To do what? Eat prasad.
Very nice.
Very nice.
To eat prasad?
Yes.
Not to take blessings from Babaji.
Take lessons.
Blessings.
Blessing.
Blessings.
Blessing.
Yes. What are blessings? When you bow your head and say, Babaji,
मुझे good बना दो, bad boy नहीं बनाओ, बनाए
yes.
खिलाओ.
Yes, those are blessings. Okay, so let's go to Gurdwara.
Okay. We are in Gurdwara.
We have reached.
We are reached in Gurdwara.
Okay.
And we'll eat prasad.
Okay. आप गुरुद्वारे प्रसाद खाने जाते हो?
Yes. And langar.
एंड लंगर. ओके. प्रे ब्लेसिंग्स लेने नहीं जाते?
Blessing करते हैं.
ओके. As usual, we were not allowed to do the videography and the photography. So just showing you outside Gurdwara. We've already done that, but yeah. That's the dera. You get all spices, pots, decorative. I guess it's almost similar to what Janpat looks like.
बाजी किया ले बाजी बोले सुनिए
किसी को करेक्ट करना होता
जो बोले सुने
मैं वही तो बोलूँ करेक्ट कर दो इनको
स्पाइसी है
मजे लेते हैं हाँ
लेके बैठ जाओ
हाँ
और वो कहानी सुन लेते
पापा हो
टाइम
तो
वेस्ट कर दो
पापा हो तो कर ही दो
इनके टाइम वेस्ट आगे सीधे हो जाएंगे एक बार तो नेक्स्ट टाइम क्लियर करेगा ही करेगा
तो उनका रोज का काम है संदीप
लेकिन रोज पीपल जस्ट पास बाय
Yeah, nobody has got time to do all of that. buying the art for the one.
क्या हनुमान जी बने हुए?
हनुमान जी
कि ताकत आती
दूं क्या हनुमान जी से एक
दो क्या पिटांगे तो फूल पौधे भी लेने
एक फूल की माला लेंगे, वहाँ पे बनी बनाई भी है।
लो और चलो तक
हाँ तो एक फूल की माला लेनी है ना।
ये ले लो और
वही
ये
देखो,
वाला
ये
ये वाली ले
चलो।
लो
ये सब ले जा, यही सब है जो भाई
है ना
रोटियाँ
ये जगह
ले
तो
तो।
ये तो क्या कोई नहीं क्या
और तेरी बहन दी
ड्रैगन है
शेर
हमारे
Happy birthday to Rehan. Happy birthday to Rehan. Happy birthday dear Rehan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Yay! आया लेट लतीफ. हाँ खिलाओ ना, जल्दी आओ, सबको खिलाओ.
काटो खिलाओ
Can you open? What is it? A toy?
I don't know.
I know. Wow! A toy!
Wait, na,
A toy!
Huh?
There's a
It's not a
toy.
toy,
It's not a toy.
It is!
it's a book.
No!
No. It's
You
a.
gotta read it.
No.
No!
It's
It's a toy!
not a toy.
It is?
A puzzle.
Wow.
Next!
Next. Next.
Great work.
What
Wow.
is this?
ये मेहनत का काम है ये मैं नहीं करूँगा
Wow!
Wow.
And this? What is this? Bubble
So
gun.
many gifts. She's only going to give you one, okay?
You choose.
What?
Where? Choose only one. Because
Which
next
one you
year
want?
I will give also. Next year for 4 years.
Open all of it!
No, not open all of it.
Okay put all the gifts here put all the gifts here put all the gifts and now you choose
Choose one.
choose one
Only
choose
one. We will open. Only one we will open.
I don't know.
This one?
this one okay take this one rest all mine yes all gifts mine no nothing
That's for Ali.
no all mine
You open it.
Say thank you. No thank you.
You buy it.
No,
No, thank you.
She bought also.
Rehan, you want one gift
Yes.
kiss
This also.
Kiss Bua also, na? Kiss Bua also.
okay now you will get it next year
Kiss Bua
Kiss
also.
also here. Kiss her also. She bought this one. What will you say?
Thank you.
okay take this one
Beta, your mom, dad did not get you anything.
take this one
that's it.
What? Say again?
Take one to him, that's it.
Take this one.
Father woke up for you all the nights, that's it.
Oh! Liar!
केक तो काटो रहे.
काट तो लिया.
It's a Diwali day and we have started our day with solving a puzzle. We are 3/4 way through. We बोले तो चंदीप, बस सारा क्रेडिट मैंने ले लिया है पर क्योंकि मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ. So this is before and once it's ready we will talk about after as well.
He did?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Nice too.
It's
Where's the picture?
here. Same.
Yes or no?
Yes, same.
It's the Diwali day after Rehat's birthday. So today is 4th of November. It's evening now because I have been busy since morning because there was a lot of food to cook. So I am all ready. I just have to take my dupatta. My work for Diwali is also done. I've set my Diwali table and Diwali, diyas and candles. So you've already seen I have done the shopping yesterday and it's all set to go. So let's go and see how I am going to do my Diwali puja in Dubai and also see how I have decorated my table for Diwali. So come on, let's go. Hello. So here is my table and the table is ready. Now why we have not lightened up the diyas, all the diyas is because we have a fire alarm here and if there is a smoke that goes then the whole building will be on alarm. So that's why there is only just one diya. We'll do our puja right now. Typically I also keep my first Guru's photograph, which is Guru Nanak Dev Ji. But since that's left in India, that's all right. So, like everyone says, in life that God is everywhere. So we are considering that He's everywhere. His blessings are with us, and we are here. The best part of this table is these laptops. We have been keeping these laptops, not just these. I mean, we've been keeping our laptops since I think 8 years, since the time we've got married. The only logic that we have for keeping the laptops here is that this is our livelihood. We earn our food from the kind of work that we do.
We open up Excel.
Yeah.
Pray on
We open
spreadsheets.
We open our Excel, we train people, we do consulting through all of this. This is what gives us money to, do whatever we can do right now.
Yeah, let's pray.
Go wherever we go, eat whatever we want to. So we are very thankful to God.
And Microsoft.
So we are very thankful to God that He's given us so much that we can in return give back to Him. So thank you, Babaji. I don't ask for God in return anything. I just tell that whatever you have given to us, we are very thankful to it and we continue to do that. So we'll just continue with our puja or our part and then we'll lighten up the diyas and we'll keep it outside.
Tathastu.
So let's do the puja.
Babaji, please let us know that right now. Thank you. Babaji, thank you for my birthday.
सो वी हैव डन अ जुगाड़ कि हमने इसको जस्ट डोर के सामने रख दिया है ताकि हमारी जो इच्छाएं हैं कि हम दिया जलाने वो पूरी हो जाएं. बट देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्मोक, सो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कीप इट एज मिनिमम एज पॉसिबल. दिए बुझ गए हैं मेरे क्योंकि हवा चल रही है. एंड दैट्स माय दिवाली लाइट्स. एक्चुअली पूरा दुबई दिवाली मना रहा है. सो टेक अ लुक, all of that are lights. So happy Diwali everybody. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
What are you eating?
Chips.
Very good.